Hello, dear friends. This time we're showing you the sculpture designed, disassembled, and carved by David himself for the Lost Island-themed mini-golf course in Mallorca. David carefully designed this 4-meter-high piece, developing its entire structure and applying the cement-based mortar for its subsequent carving with his own hands. The metal structure has been carefully designed to fit perfectly with the sculpture and, at the same time, to house the water pump inside, which draws water from the river to feed a fountain located in one of the canyons. The mortar was applied by hand and carved by David, piece by piece, separately, and upon completion, all the pieces were assembled, giving the final finishes and sealing the gaps before beginning the painting process. By inserting a golf ball into each of the lions' mouths, the ball will be shot out through a different cannon, making the game feel more original and surprising. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again on a new adventure. Thank you so much.